Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Clinton Pinter back with another video. Today's video is not so long, it's one of the shortest videos on my channel by far. This video holds, whatever the case is, what this video contains. Yes. What this video contains is a few clips from Stance on the Lake, aka Stance on Florida Lake, not on the lake itself. No, let's not be so childish, but yeah, due to unforeseen circumstances of the weather conditions, listen to that, yeah, whatever what I said, due to the unforeseen circumstances of the weather conditions, it did not have a turnout that I thought it was going to have, hence so little cars and such a short video. But obviously there is still a video, and I apologize for the late upload. Like, yo, if you're not subscribed, drop a like, comment and subscribe. We're headed for 250 subscribers. Thank you for everybody that subscribed so far. We officially hit 230 subscribers. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Lie to you kids, it's a f***ing jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now.